Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to cover an important scheme by Government of India, that is Ayushman CAPF. So in this video we are going to cover the following key points about the scheme. The first will be the meaning, where I am going to give you the summary of the scheme. We are going to talk about the eligibility of the scheme. Then we are going to talk about the features, and finally we are going to talk about the process involved to apply for this scheme. So first of all, we need to know what is Ayushman CAPF scheme. It is a convergence scheme which is being implemented on Ayushman Bharat PMJIT platform. So if somebody wants to avail this scheme, they have to go to the website of Ayushman Bharat PMJ. It is a joint initiative by Ministry of Home Affairs and National Health Authority, that is NHA. The purpose of the scheme is to provide cashless healthcare services to the serving CAPF, that is Central Armed Police Forces. You need to learn the full form also. Personnel from all 7 forces. So this scheme is to provide the cashless healthcare facilities to all the forces that are under CAPF. So the first one is Assam Rifles, next is BSF, that is Border Security Force, CISF, that is Central Industrial Security Force, CRPF, that is Central Reserve Police Force, ITBP, that is Indo-Tibetan Border Police, NSG, that is National Security Guard, and finally SSB, that is Sashastra Seema Bal. So these 7 forces that are under CAPF will be able to avail the facility. Then the scheme was launched on 23rd January 2021 in Assam by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now, the goal of this initiative is to moving away paper-based manual process of availing healthcare benefits by CAPF personnel and their family members to a paperless service at NHA's IT platform. So, if the CAPF personnel and their family members want to avail this facility, this scheme, they have to go to the National Health Authority's IT platform or their website to avail this scheme. Now we are going to see the eligibility of this Ayushman CAPF scheme. So let's go to the next slide. Now eligibility of the scheme. So earlier also I have told you all the 7 forces that are under CAPF which will be able to avail the scheme. The first one is Assam Rifles. Second is Border Security Force, that is BSF. Sashastra Seema Bal, that is SSB, Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF, Central Industrial Security Force, that is CISF, National Security Guard, that is NSG, and finally Indo-Tibetan Border Police. So these all are the 7 forces which will be able to avail this scheme. Now we are going to talk about the benefits of the scheme. What are the benefits? What are the advantages of this scheme? So cashless treatment at impaneled private hospitals. All the hospitals that are under this scheme will be able to give the cashless treatment to the personnel and their family members. Portability to ensure access to healthcare services across the country. In whole country or wherever these hospitals are located, will be giving this scheme.
Will be giving
Paperless to
cashless
ensure
treatment
ease and
and all
convenience.
the
There will be a
health
paperless
services.
process which will help to complete the
Paperless
process
to ensure
quickly.
ease and convenience to make the
Dedicated call
process
center
faster
for
and
support and
easier for
grievance
the
redressal. If
people.
there is any
They are
problem
making
regarding
it
the process or
completely
regarding
paperless.
to avail the scheme, you can
Dedicated
call
call
to
center
the
for support
dedicated
and
call
grievance
center.
redressal. If
Well
there is any
defined set
issue
of
regarding
health
the
benefit
services
packages.
or if
There are
they are
proper
not able
health
to
packages
understand how to
regarding to
avail,
your
there is a
requirement.
dedicated call
Pan
center
India
where they can
expansion
contact
of
and
the
know
scheme
about the
will be
scheme.
done in a phased manner. So there will be a proper
Well-defined
process
set of
for
health benefit packages.
for
There are different
fulfilling
packages
the
that
scheme
are
across
suitable
the whole
according to their
country in a
requirement,
phased
which they can
manner.
avail at the hospitals.
Now, in the
Pan-India
next slide, we
expansion
are
of the
going to
scheme will
see
be
how
done
to
in the
avail
phased
this
manner.
scheme. What will be the process?
Now,
So, how to
avail
avail
this
this
scheme? The
scheme?
people
The
who are looking
beneficiaries
how
have
to
to collect the
go for the
Ayushman
scheme,
e-card. There
these
will
are
be
the
an
given
e-card
points.
given to
The
the
beneficiaries
personnel
have to
by their
collect the
respective
Ayushman
forces in
e-card
which
by
they
the
are working.
respective force.
The card will be activated at
The
impaneled
forces in
private
which they are
hospital.
working, they
Post
have to take that
authentication using
Ayushman
copy of
e-card
force
from their
ID
own
and
force.
Aadhaar
The
or
card will be
government
activated
approved
at the
photo ID.
impaneled
So
private
you should have
hospital.
a photo
Post
ID
authentication
or
using
Aadhaar
force
card
of
for
force ID
authentication of your
and
e-card.
Aadhaar or
It can
government
also be
approved
obtained
photo
from
ID.
Pradhan Mantri
It can also
Arogya
be
Mitra
obtained from
PMEM
Pradhan Mantri
station
Arogya
at PMJ
Mitra
Impaneled
station
Private
at
Hospital
PMJ
upon
Impaneled Private
presenting the
Hospital
above mentioned
upon presenting the
documents.
above
So
mentioned
these are the two ways
documents.
in which you can avail the scheme.
So that's
Thank
all.
you very
Thank you
much.
very much
I
for
hope you
watching
are
the
able
video.
to
I
know
hope you
about
are
the
able to
Ayushman
understand about
CAPF
the Ayushman
scheme and you
CAPF
are able
scheme
to
and how it
understand
is
how to
useful, and hope this will
about the
help you
process,
in
and
your
hope this
preparation
video will
for
help
government
you for your
exams.
government
And you can also
examinations.
follow me on
Thank you
Instagram,
very much.
your learning guide,
Goodbye.
and
Take
on
care.
WordPress.